Welcome to my channel, Enthusiast Gardener. Sweet potato vines are fantastic for adding lush greenery to your containers, but to keep them thriving and looking their best, a little pruning goes a long way. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to trim your sweet potato vine to promote healthy growth, maintain its shape and even encourage those beautiful tubers. Begin by identifying the parts of the sweet potato vine that require attention. Focus on withered leaves, yellowing foliage, and damaged vines. The best time to prune is from early spring to late fall, during the vine's active growth phase. Before getting started, ensure you have a clean pair of pruning shears or scissors. Sterilize your tools with rubbing alcohol or a bleach solution to prevent the spread of potential diseases. Using your scissors, snip the leaf stem right where it connects to the main vine. Make a clean cut to avoid tearing the plant tissue. For damaged vines, trace back to the nearest healthy section, and make a cut about 1/4 inch above a leaf node. This encourages new growth from that point. Take your time to remove any dead leaves and stems from your sweet potato plants, as this careful process is essential for maintaining and enhancing the overall health, vigor, and vitality of your plants, ensuring that they can continue to grow robustly and effectively produce high-quality tubers that you will be proud to harvest. By taking the time to carefully and diligently remove all the dead leaves and stems, you will not only significantly enhance air circulation around the plants, which is vital for their growth, but you will also proactively reduce the risk of disease and pest infestations that can pose serious threats to their development and overall productivity. Remember to inspect the plants thoroughly to ensure that every part that appears unhealthy or lifeless is addressed in order to promote a thriving environment for your sweet potato plants. The presence of leaves that appear wilted or exhibit a yellowish tint can serve as significant indicators of either the aging process of the plant or underlying stress factors affecting its health. It is advisable to promptly remove these affected leaves to maintain the plant's aesthetic appeal and vitality. This not only enhances its overall appearance, but also promotes healthier growth by allowing the plant to redirect its energy towards more vigorous and healthy foliage. Stems that exhibit signs of being broken, diseased, or otherwise struggling to thrive can severely detract from the plant's overall health and vigor. These compromised vines can siphon off valuable energy and resources that the sweet potato plant could otherwise allocate toward growth and maintenance. Therefore, it is essential to assess any damaged stems carefully and consider their immediate removal or appropriate treatment, ensuring the plant can focus on rejuvenation and flourishing. In instances where the vines have begun to grow excessively or in an uncontrolled manner, engaging in pruning practices becomes necessary. By trimming back these overgrown sections, you can actively encourage the development of side shoots and promote a denser, bushier shape. This not only revitalizes the sweet potato plant's form but also enhances its longevity, encouraging a more balanced and attractive growth habit moving forward. Implementing such maintenance practices is crucial for sustaining a healthy and visually pleasing sweet potato plant. Pruning sweet potato vine not only enhances its ornamental appeal, creating a more aesthetically pleasing display, but also actively encourages vigorous new growth that contributes to the overall vitality of the plant. This careful pruning practice promotes healthy regrowth, allowing the vine to flourish and develop new foliage and stems. Additionally, it plays a crucial role in preventing further damage from spreading throughout the plant, thereby ensuring its continued health and robustness in various environmental conditions. Once you have completed the pruning process of your sweet potato plants, it is important to take a few additional steps to ensure the health and longevity of your garden. First, you should meticulously collect all pruned material and dispose of it in a manner that keeps your garden ecosystem safe from potential disease spread. This means ensuring that any wilted leaves, cut stems are removed from your garden area and are not left to decay nearby, as this could attract pests or lead to the development of fungal infections. Next, be sure to set aside any healthy vine cuttings that you may have obtained during the pruning process. These healthy cuttings hold great potential as they can be propagated effectively. You can take these cuttings and place them in a container of water, allowing them the opportunity to root. Observing the roots develop is not only satisfying but also an important step in your gardening journey, as these roots will enable the cuttings to grow effectively. Once the cuttings have established a robust root system, you are then ready to transplant them into soil. This process not only revitalizes your garden, but also allows you to explore the joy of cultivating new sweet potato plants from the existing ones, ultimately enriching your gardening experience. With just a little regular pruning, your sweet potato vine will stay healthy, vibrant, and productive throughout the growing season. Whether you're growing it for ornamental beauty or harvesting sweet potatoes, trimming your plant will help maximize its potential. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, enthusiast gardener.